Well done. Change the rein.
What?
Change the rein and do it on the other rein.
No, that was enough.
No, you need to do it consistently, Julie.
Okay, that was a bit, whoo.
Yeah, I know.
Okay though, I did all right, I think.
No, you did.
Like you?
Just the same on the other rein.
Yeah, okay. Good boy.
Nice.
Good lad.
Good boy.